Vaseline can do a lot of good things for the skin. It can be used as a moisturizer, it can protect the skin, it can be part of a first day regimen, and it can help your skin look younger if you use it the right way. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But make sure you watch to the end, as I'm going to give you some bonus tips to help your skin look younger you're probably not familiar with. So stay tuned. Greetings, health experts. This is Brandon E, your Pharm.D, and welcome to my YouTube channel. You know, the skin is the largest organ in the body, which is one of the reasons why it's important to take good care of it. But in addition to taking good care of it, how can we keep it looking younger? And that's what we're going to discuss in this video. I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do to help your skin look younger, and the first of which applies to dry skin. Having dry skin can lead to fine lines and wrinkles, which can give us a more aged appearance. So the first thing we can do is use Vaseline as a daily moisturizer, but you have to use it the right way. So I'm going to give you 3 steps to use Vaseline the correct way as a moisturizer. The first way is to ensure the skin is clean by taking a shower, a bath, or washing your hands, and then pat dry the area once the skin is clean. Vaseline works by creating a barrier on the skin to help prevent water loss. This is good for moisturizing the skin, but this can be bad if the skin is not clean, as Vaseline can trap dirt, debris, and bacteria, which can make acne worse and potentially leading to a more aged rather than a youthful look. Pat drying as opposed to rubbing the skin is also important, as it can preserve moisture and prevent skin irritation. The second step to properly moisturizing the skin with Vaseline is after it's clean and dry. You want to apply Vaseline to all areas prone to dryness. That can be your face, your elbows, your hands, your knees, your back, your neck, all over your body. And you want to apply just enough to moisturize the skin. You don't have to cake it on like with some other products. And then the third step, you just want to reapply it throughout the day as needed. Let me know in the comments if you tried Vaseline before and some of the ways in which it's helped your skin. And if you want to join this growing community and become a health expert and improve your health by lifestyle changes and over-the-counter medicines, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, towards the end of the video, we're going to discuss the bonus tips to help your skin look younger. But before doing that, we're going to talk about the second main point, and that is to use Vaseline on your feet to treat cracked heels. Cracked heels are a common problem and can occur for a variety of different reasons. It can be from not moisturizing regularly, harsh weather conditions, or any type of friction or pressure on the feet. So again, I'm going to give you 3 steps to treat cracked heels. The first step is to apply a thick layer of Vaseline to the heels after a bath or shower, and you want to do this before bedtime. The second step is you want to put on a pair of cotton socks and sleep with them overnight. The reason why you want to use cotton socks is that they'll allow the feet to breathe, and then again, you're putting a thick layer of Vaseline on the feet. So you don't want to get it on your bedding or bed sheet. So the socks will help the feet breathe and prevent the residue from getting on your bed sheets. And the third step is you want to repeat this process every night until the cracked heels have been restored to normal. Now, the third way in which you can use Vaseline to help your skin look younger is use Vaseline for minor injuries like cuts and scrapes. Cuts and scars can contribute to a more aged look due to changes in skin texture and appearance. If you have a cut or a minor injury, first you want to clean the wound with soap and water to keep out germs and remove any debris. Then you want to apply Vaseline to the area to prevent the wound from drying out and forming a scab. Wounds with scabs generally take longer to heal. This can also prevent the scar from getting too large. Lastly, I would apply sunscreen to the wound, as this can reduce red or brown discoloration and help the scar fade faster. So now we're going to jump into the bonus tips, and I'm going to give you 3 lifestyle changes that you can make to help your skin look younger. The first of which is to avoid or stop smoking. Many of the chemicals in tobacco smoke can cause the breakdown of collagen and elastin, which can lead to sagging skin and deeper wrinkles. If you are a smoker and you're having trouble quitting, stay tuned in the coming weeks, as I'm going to release a video on lifestyle changes and over-the-counter medicines you can use to help you stop smoking. The second lifestyle change you can make is to avoid tanning beds and limit your time in the sun. Now, being outside in the sun is a good thing, is that it can improve our mood and it can increase our vitamin D levels. But too much sun can contribute to wrinkles and can age our skin due to the ultraviolet rays. If you're going to be outside in the sun for an extended period of time, be sure to wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. And the third lifestyle change you can make is to eat a well-balanced diet. There is some evidence that shows that eating certain vitamins can have a protective effect on the skin, so when it's time for dinner, don't skip out on those veggies. If you have any questions about anything we discussed, let me know in the comments. And also be sure to check out my other video on Vaseline, which I'll link at the end of this one. This is Brandon E, your Pharm.D. Remember to drink water and hope this video helps.